My name is Dr. Charles Toulson. I am a joint replacement specialist here at Texas Joint Institute. Clearly put, I specialize in hip replacement, knee replacement, partial knee replacement, and robotics. I'm originally from Wilmington, Delaware. I went to medical school at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. I did a very prestigious fellowship at the Hospital of Special Surgery. It's probably the world's top and best known orthopedic hospital. From there, I was recruited by the partner of Medical City Healthcare to come to Dallas, and it's the best decision I've ever made. I've always known that I wanted to be an orthopedic surgeon, even since the 4th grade. I had a few sports injuries as a kid, and I got treated several times by an orthopedic surgeon. And I didn't know exactly what it entailed, but I knew that's what I wanted to be. Texas Joint Institute is very unique because we've had the opportunity to assemble 10 of the most skilled, caring, and gifted surgeons in the area to provide for our community. I love waking up every day. I got the best job in the world. I love providing for the community. I love providing the utmost technology and assistance to our patients, and I love being able to provide for my family.